Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Kristin Thomas.
All right. And how old are you?
6.
No.
I'm 9.
No, you're 3.
3.
3. All right. So what are we making today? Say a green smoothie.
Green smoothie.
What are we making today?
Green smoothie.
Awesome. So what's that you putting in there?
Apples.
Good
and
job.
Oranges.
Apples and oranges. Yes. And what's that?
Bananas.
Yes. And what's that?
Cabbage.
Almost. Kale.
Kale.
Good job. Go ahead. Put it in there. Now you want to take the kale and break it off the stem. Yep, and put the leaves in there. Good job. Whoa, you are so strong. Good job. And we got some burdock root. We'll put that in there with the apples.
Some more for.
Yep, some more kale. Whoa, you are so strong. Whoa. Wow, good job. Whoa, that was really good. You got it all. Excellent. We'll save that for the veggie stock. Oh, we're not ready yet. Hold on. Yep.
Maybe these on there.
Yeah, put all of that in there.
And now give it down there.
Put all the oranges in there. You can put that one in there too.
This one.
Good job. And we're gonna put some spring water. You gonna pour it? Put a little bit more. Should we put, you want to put the burdock root in there? You want to put these in there? No?
Oh, I do.
Okay. Good job. Hold on. Don't turn. What is it called? I done forgot. You know, the food processor where it has the safety feature with the lid and everything being on before it goes, but it does not. So gotta now you can turn it on. Whoa. And blend it till you see no more little particles, no more specks. See how smooth it is? Let's look inside. Whoa, look at that.
Okay.
All right. Hold on. No, we don't turn it on again. Now we're going to taste test it, okay?
Okay.
You ready to taste test it? Go ahead. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome, baby. Say don't forget to like,
Don't forget to like,
comment,
comment,
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.